October 11, 2024. So I got a call from a doctor I worked for. His wife called me. She's got a problem with the shower leaking again. She got this shower that, you know, when you stand in it, the whole thing moves, does the funky chicken at the base. And it's a cheap shower. When they put it in, they put no mortar under it. So anyway, she's got to rip all that out and put a new one in, but I told her I could go by there and tighten it up again, I guess. It's been probably 3-4 months since I've done it. Tightened it up, maybe 6 months. But she's going to need to have a new shower put in. She asked me if I wanted to do. I told her, you know, she's probably better to call like a kitchen and bath guy that does that. Because they got to do all the sheetrock all over and rip it all out. And not really something I want to get involved with. Could I do it? Yeah, but I mean, I'm not really set up for that type of stuff. I'd rather not do it. Kind of pick and choose what I want to do now. I've been doing that for a while. So we'll go over there and see if we can tighten it up for her. See if it's loose as a goose. Sure, it's leaking again. Let's see. Oh yeah. I could feel it move. Oh, good.
Needs to be redone. Even when I clean it, there's mold, there's mildew.
Yeah, if it was me, I'd rip it right out and just replace it with something new.
Right,
that's what I would do. Rip it out. Probably, you know, probably have to take these tiles out and
I don't like
have to redo the tiles and whatnot. But
yeah, that's what I'll do.
Let's see if we can tighten it. Let's see. I think there's a special. Let me see what I could do. Hopefully I can tighten it. I think there's I got a wrench in the truck for that.
And if we need to kind of go downstairs until we get a new one so you can see in that way, we can.
No, I think I can tighten it from up top here. Let's hope. Alright. I got it right here. That should work. I should be able to tighten it. No? He's pretty flippin' tight. Pretty tight, man. I don't know if that's it. Unless I put, this looks like a new flange I put in here. This is leaking from up. It's pretty tight. I don't want to break it either. It's pretty flippin' tight. I don't think that's it. I don't think that's a problem.
It's definitely leaking from up top. Oh.